Esmeralda Camp and the Staehler Brewery site, close to Aurora, Nevada. This is one of the remains of the well that Ferdinand Staehler, immigrant from Germany, used to get his water to brew his beer at the brewery down below the other side of that juniper tree. This is all stone lined. You can't tell because it's all overgrown and full of water. There's some remaining stones that you can see. This is a very historical spot for the history of Aurora. This is the site of the Esmeralda Camp. It's the first camp where Cory, Brawley, and Hicks camped and discovered silver ore up on Silver Hill up that ways. And then they went back to Motoville and spread the word. You had a rush of people come in here and put up tents and such. Get a little settlement going. And then Ferdinand Staehler came in, built himself a brewery. His beer was well loved by people in battIe, Marietta, Columbus, Candelaria, Aurora obviously, and other places around this area. Here's part of the foundation of his brewery, which was a brick building at one time. This is the basement area. You can see a lot of bricks and crap laid around. There's part of the foundation, what's little left, what little is left of this place. Some bricks over there. The well up that way. The water channeled through here, through the brewery. And from the way it looks, this is all stone lined right in here. He had a little channel for it to exit out, which is kind of neat, I think. This right here is called St. Mary's Hill. And there's another shot of the brewery foundation and basement. There's several mines up on the hills around us. We're about 8,000 something feet right here. And let's see an overview of the old town site of Esmeralda Camp. There's no foundations. Like I said, most of the structures in the camp, besides this brewery, were tents, canvas tents. There's a little barrel hoop from a beer keg. And this is basically, this is the area where people the miners set up their tents, including Cory, Hicks, and Brawley, the founders or the discoverers of the Esmeralda mining district, which we are in. But that's about that on this. Figured I might as well do one commentated video since people are getting tired of my spaghetti western music. And there's our vehicle that we use to get to these places. We have a Yukon, but it's broke at the moment. So we're using my buddy Mike's Suburban.